Most reviews on nerve armor tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does. So I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with chronic nerve pain. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address the surface symptom, the burning, the tingling, or the pins and needles, not the real reason it keeps coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, taking the prescriptions and still feeling your legs buckle or hands go numb, that's the gap nerve armor is designed for. When I broke down how nerve armor actually works, it targets overactive microglia, the termite cells eating your nerve linings directly, not just the pain signals. That's the distinction that matters. Most over-the-counter painkillers work at the symptom level, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, shutting down the cells, destroying your myelin sheath. More targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, palmitoyl ethanolamide. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the overactive termite cells, acting like an off switch so your nerves can actually rest and repair. Gotu Kola and Corydalis, I hadn't seen these formulated this way in this category before. One works to regrow the protective nerve coating, while the other naturally blocks pain signals without building a nasty tolerance. Benfotiamine and granular ALA. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other ingredients actually compound instead of cancel each other out. They flush out dead cells and triple your body's nerve-protecting antioxidants. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first 3 to 7 days, most people notice the burning and sharp electric shocks start to fade. That tends to build into uninterrupted sleep and pain-free walking with consistency, and longer-term total independence without the fear of falling or losing mobility. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Take 2 capsules in the morning with a glass of water. Fits into a daily routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results around 90 days for full nerve restoration. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. Nerve armor comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on nerve armor, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets for everyone.